Hello boys and girls. Today on KidStir we are going to make some monkey bread. And if you don't know what that is, you will have canned biscuits, and you will get your canned biscuits in your little packet. And when I did these, I didn't use all of them. You're going to get your little tin, and you'll need to spray it with a little cooking spray that I'm sure Mom or Dad has at home. You can spray it just a little bit, and then you can take your biscuits apart. Now I like to use my kitchen scissors, but you can also use a plastic knife or have your grown-up to help you. And I cut them in half, and then I cut them in half again, so you get 4 little pieces out of each biscuit. And I used all but 2, and the last 2 I just took those and made them like regular biscuits. Or if you have another pan, maybe you can put them in something different. And then once you get your little pieces cut, you will have a bag of cinnamon and sugar, and you want to stir it up really good, or shake it up really good. And then you will drop your pieces down inside. Zip your bag up so the sugar doesn't get all over Mom's floor. And then you'll shake them around. And just take them out and place them in your pan. These are kind of sticking together because they've gotten room temperature. So we'll do the last ones here. We'll save those last 2 out. Actually, I think there's 3 there. You will also get a little bit of butter, and that will need to be melted in your microwave, or we'll put the rest of these in. Shake them up really good so you get lots of cinnamon and sugar on there. And then once you get them all placed around, I like to take a little bit more cinnamon and sugar if you have a spoon, or just sprinkle it on. And then you will take your butter, your melted butter, and pour over top of it. And you'll preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and that will be on your paper so you'll know which temperature to use. And then you will bake them for 20 to 30 minutes. You just want to watch them and make sure they don't burn. And when they are completely done, they will look like this. So you'll have a nice little loaf of monkey bread. And you can dump it out, or you can just eat it right out of the pan. So it'll be like that when you get finished. Now, the next thing we're going to do is, let's clean some of this up out of the way first. We are going to make a caterpillar out of bananas, pretzels, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and a little bit of coconut. So we will just kind of make some little cuts in there where you can put your peanut butter, and you will get your banana and your peanut butter. You'll get everything in your packet like you always do. So you can just spread your little peanut butter in between there. And take your pretzel and stick in where you cut. I'm gonna try it on this next one. Not the next one, but after this one. I'm gonna try and see if you can just actually cut it with the pretzel. You might be able to. Yeah, you could. You could just use your little pretzel to cut it. The knife does do a little bit better though. And you just know you have to be really careful when you have a knife. Now, I'm probably just going to do a few more just so I can show you. So we need 3 more. You can use however much peanut butter you want. And remember, Miss Libby and I love to see pictures of what you guys are making. So if you want to email those to Miss Libby, so we can keep them on our Facebook page, or just so we can see what you come up with. So then you can take your little chocolate chips and you can just poke them in there. And if you like coconut, Miss Kathy loves coconut. I think Miss Libby likes coconut too.
Oh, yes.
So then you can sprinkle that on this little back if you want. And there you have your little caterpillar.
It's so cute.
So we hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.